I'm going to show you a quick little example of how to use the text to columns tool in Excel to separate columns that have two different data types and you want to separate them into two separate columns. So for example here we have these mock customers here that have the first and last name in column A. Oftentimes you may need to search just on a first or last name and you want those in two separate columns. In the event this occurs, the text to columns tool is a great function in Excel. If you have an example like this where the data that you want to separate exists with data to the right, you're going to want to insert a new blank cell to give a place for the new information to fall. Then go back to your original column, click the text to columns tool icon, click delimited, next. In this situation you're separating on comma, so make sure comma is selected. Hit next. It shows you example of what it will look like. Click finish. Okay, and you should have last names in one column and now first in the other. This can be done with all different separating symbols, or you can separate on any type of symbol. So for instance, on date of birth, we can separate into day, month, and year. Because there's no data to the right, we can just do it directly from the text to columns tool, delimited, next. We're going to get rid of comma, click other. We want to separate on the slash, click next, finished. And now we can go and set this back. And there you have an example of how to use the text to column tool within Excel.